Hi, my name is Ned Clark with Travel for Teens. Today, we will talk about how do you pick the right service program. Parents and teens ask me all the time, what is the right program? And the answer is, the right one is the one that makes you happiest. Now, how do you figure that out? Well, there's two main criteria that make this decision easier. First, think about either where you want to go or what type of project you'd like to do. So first, we offer programs in over 20 different locations. If you have your heart set on going to a specific place, start looking there. Alternatively, there are 4 different categories of service projects: service with youth, with animals, construction, or environmental conservation, or a combination of those. If you figure out what type of service project you think is going to motivate you the most, then start there and then narrow down from that. With these 2 criteria in mind, it'll help narrow down over 20 different choices to make it a much more manageable list to figure out what service project is going to be the best one for the parents and for the teens. If you have other questions about what's the right trip for you, call us up 7 days a week. We look forward to speaking with you. Cheers.